Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to help you decide if the DJI Flip is right for you. This is a brand new release from DJI, and the drone is really a combo between a selfie drone and a regular drone. So you can put this up in the air by pushing a few buttons and have it fly around you automatically or follow you as you walk along. But you can also use the RCN3 or the RC2 to fly it like a regular drone. The drone itself will fly for up to 31 minutes on a fully charged battery, which is pretty incredible. That gives you plenty of airtime to get up in the air, get out on a particular point of interest, and capture some amazing footage and take some great pictures. It also is using the very latest OcuSync 4 transmission technology, which guarantees a 13-kilometer distance between the drone and the controller, which means you can't really fly that far in the United States because of visual line of sight requirements, where you've got to keep the drone in your line of sight. But knowing you've got that strong a signal between the drone and the controller means that you'll never have to worry about the drone breaking that signal and flying off towards the horizon. It also has a phenomenal camera system inside. It'll record 4K footage at up to 100 frames per second, which means you're going to get some slow-mo action if you use that 100 frames per second setting. And you'll also capture, again, some really nice video and some incredible pictures. The thing I like best about it, though, is the automated modes where you can basically unfold it, and in a couple of seconds, you can launch it from your hand, have it fly away from you, and keep you in the frame, or fly around you, or fly away from you, and capture the footage behind you. So from a selfie drone perspective, it's incredibly easy to fly. It's something that really, you'll charge it, take it out in the field, and be flying it like a professional the first day. But I also like the fact that I can fly it like a regular drone using either of these two controllers. Now, I probably should mention that you can have the drone in 3 different combinations: the drone with the RCN3, the drone with the RC2, or the drone in what's called a fly more combination, which includes the drone, a controller, a battery hub, some extra batteries, some extra propellers, a carrying case. So you can decide which of those combinations make sense for you. But for me, the RCN3 requires you to use a phone. You've got to snap your phone in there and connect it up. The RC2 has the screen built in. I like this one a little bit better because it's a quicker use. I can spin it up and get out there and start flying. I also don't have to worry about having my phone with me and having my phone charged. So with this one, if you want to use a larger screen than your phone, this is probably the choice because you can use this with the tablet. But either way, you can fly the drone on its own without a controller, or you can fly with either one of these controllers as a regular drone. And the last thing I'll mention is DJI's built a lot of artificial intelligence inside the drone. So it's smart enough to know if the batteries are getting weak, it'll go into automatic mode and do what's called a return to home, which means the drone knows, oh my gosh, the battery's getting low. It elevates to the height you've set in the application, spins to face the home point, flies back and lands where it took off. So it's a very safe drone to fly. It also has crash avoidance in the front, so if it's getting close to something, it'll pull back so you don't crash into a tree. It has automatic flight modes built in, where again, with the push of a button and you've got a screen on the front, you can decide between 5 different flight modes that it automatically takes off from your hand, performs that flight, comes back and lands right in your hand. So again, easy for creating vlogs or doing videos, but really a fully functional drone. The last thing I'll mention is, even though it looks small, it can handle a level 5 wind. So don't worry about flying this. If the wind is whipping pretty good, it's going to be able to handle that wind. And that's pretty much all I had for today. So I like this DJI Flip an awful lot. I think you will as well. And I hope you found value in this review.